was a businessman. Killed his friend with a frying pan. Now he's been walking the yard 2 times a day. This place gives me the creeps, and the nurse from hell is getting down on me. She looks like you in a cold, sadistic way. And she says, oh no, baby, your love's train them is my call.